Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I am back to solo van life, temporarily. Marco's not able to make it on this trip and I had 2 days off during the week, so I thought it would be a great time to go camping. The weather in Oklahoma has finally started to warm up. This week it's supposed to be in the 70s and 80s, so it's a perfect time to go out and camp on the lake and maybe go on a hike. So when I got back from Florida, it was still cold in Oklahoma, so I went ahead and drained my water system again to hopefully keep from having any issues. Well, I went to hook everything back up, and my hot water tank here, I guess the cold got to it and maybe busted something inside of it, because whenever I went to turn everything on, water just came pouring out of the bottom of my hot water tank. So that's something that I'm gonna have to take care of. Probably not in this video, but soon I'm gonna have to get that taken care of. Now this video was actually inspired by one of you. I got a comment on a previous video mentioning Lake Murray State Park. I've never been to that lake, but I hear that it's very beautiful, so I'm excited to see what it looks like. My van is pretty much still packed up from whenever I got back from Florida. I really didn't take anything out of my van, so I don't have a lot of packing to do, so I should be able to leave here pretty soon. I do have to drive through the town that Marco lives in, so I'm probably going to stop and maybe have lunch with him. It's about a 3-hour drive from where I live, so it's going to be a pretty good road trip. Alright, so I've made it over here to Lake Murray State Park, and my first impressions are that this is a very big state park and it's very nice. I also noticed that there are bathrooms and showers just right across from me as well, so I've never been here before, but it looks like I've picked a great spot. Now my brother asked me to go down and see how clear the water is, or see if I can tell how clear it is, because we want to see if this would be a good lake to go scuba diving in eventually. Not right now, it's way too cold right now, but maybe this summer. So I'm gonna go check that out real quick. Well, I can't really tell from down here how clear it is. I mean, it's beautiful down here, but I don't know how clear the water is for scuba diving. I may have to look in a different area, but yeah, it's pretty nice. I think this area that I'm in right now is like a designated swimming area, which makes sense. It looks perfect for swimming. However, not in March. I bet that water is freezing cold. Yep, it's cold. And from what I can tell, it's not very clear either. I don't know if there would be other areas that would be better for scuba diving, but it doesn't look like this area would be. I planned on building a fire and cooking a baked potato and brought stuff for that. However, the wind has been blowing kind of strong today, and I saw several grass fires on my drive down here. And then when I got here, there were several big tents that had been blown over, so I didn't want to risk it. So tonight, I'm keeping it simple. Ramen. Last night was perfect. The weather was cool, it was extremely quiet out here, and had a very uneventful night. Which, after the night I had in Alabama on my way back from Florida, it's perfect. So today I am going out on a hike. There's 2 hikes that I want to check out. I don't know if I'll be able to do both of them or not, but I'm going to try. They're both within this state park area. From what I'm seeing, this state park is very big. They've got RV and tent camping spots, and they also have cabins, and I believe they have floating cabins that are on the lake that you can rent. I'm going to look into that and see for sure, but I believe they have those. I've got my van all put back together and my bed made, so now it's time to go hike. It's been way too long since I've been on a trail, so I'm excited for this. Gosh, it is so beautiful out here. The good thing about coming in the middle of the week is I pretty much have the place to myself. I haven't seen anybody out here hiking yet. And over at my camp spot, there's only a couple of people camped, so it's been perfect. So I took a quick break so that I could change the battery in one of my cameras. I have gone a total of 2.17 miles. I think this particular trail is almost done. So it's a very easy trail. It's not difficult at all. I think the other trail that I'm doing is just down the road. I was looking for it whenever I was walking to this one. I didn't see it, so hopefully I can find it. All right, let's get back to it. So overall, that was a very nice hike. I could not have asked for better weather. It has to be at least in the upper 70s, if not lower 80s right now. And there's a slight breeze. It's not as windy as it was yesterday, just a slight breeze, and it's perfect. So I hiked a total of 4.58 miles, so a little over 4.5 miles. And I burned a total of 689 calories, so I'm gonna call that a successful day. So now I'm just gonna take a quick shower and head back home. Well, never mind on the shower. I went to the first shower and it wouldn't turn on. There was no water. Went to the second one and there was no hot water. It was just freezing cold water, so I'll just wait until I get home to take a shower. So I'm going to head back out on the road and try to find something to eat that's not ramen. I really don't care to have ramen again today. I've stopped and got something to eat, and don't judge me, but I stopped at Taco Bell. Not the healthiest option, but I was passing by it and it looked good, so I decided to stop. Now, before I end this video, I want to give a huge thank you to everybody that supported my last video. I was very nervous to announce that, and for the most part, everybody was very positive and supportive, so I really appreciate that. My numbers on the channel did go down a little bit, however, I'm not going to focus on the negativity. I am happy, and that's all that matters, and I choose to live my life as positive as I can possibly live it. So if it's possible for me to ignore negativity, that's exactly what I'm going to do. But anyway, I think that's where I'm going to end it this week. I'm going to eat and head back home, and I will pick you guys back up next week. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.